Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the Roblox Doors Discord server. So just load up Discord and then at the end of your server list, click on the plus icon right here where it says add a server. Then we select join a server. So just click on join a server and this is what you need to type: discord.gg/ and in all capital letters you need to write 8 TW D9V9. So 8TWD9V9, and then you click on join server. Okay, so this should take us to the official creators Discord server. As you can see, we have a channel right here that says verify. So we need to use rover verification for this. So where it says upload or update my roles, I already have a video on this on my channel, so I'm going to leave it as a pinned comment here how you can connect rover to your account. So we're going to click on update my roles and this should link our channel. And okay, it gives us an error, but we're actually we have actually entered this. So yeah, this is how you join the Doors Discord server. Here you can type with people. As you can see, we have the Doors general channel, so here's where you can communicate with people. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.